So friends, here we will study about the area. यहाँ हम एरिया के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि एरिया क्या होती है. तो this is the circle. This is the circle. This is the circle, and this is the center of the circle. This is the circumference of the circle, though it is not looking better circle, but it is a circle. And we know the area of the circle is pi r square, where the value of pi is this value of pi is 22/7, which is equal to 3.14 in decimal format, and this r is radius of the circle. This is radius of the circle, means this is the r. So area of the circle is this. Now suppose that there is a question that this is the circle whose radius is r, and there is another circle in this circle whose radius is r dash. So this overall circle looks like a concentric circle. This is called concentric circle. Now suppose that the question is saying that find out the area of the shaded region. Means you have to tell the area of the shaded region. Then how will you determine it? It is very easy to determine the area of the shaded region. Firstly, we will determine the area of this big circle which radius is r. So area of this big circle will be pi r square, and the area of small circle which is inside it. So this small circle is this, and this radius is r dash. R dash is the radius of this circle. So area of this small circle will be pi r dash square. This is the dash. So this is the big area. This is the big circle whose area is pi r square, and this is the small circle whose radius is pi r square. So this is like this. This is the big circle whose radius is whose area is pi r square, and this is the small circle. This is r dash, and this is r. So if you subtract this area from the big area, then we'll get this shaded area. This is the same things. Okay, this is the same things, means you have this circle, and if you are cutting this part, you have cutted this part, then definitely you will get this. Suppose there you have the iron sheet, and in that iron sheet you have cutted this part, this blue part. So you will get the area of this part. So same thing here. So finally, if you will subtract like this, that is pi r square minus pi r dash square. So that is the area of the shaded portion. So this is the area that is the required. Means this is the area that is the required. So pi r square minus pi r dash square will be the shaded area. That is the requirement of us. Now we'll see some more example related with this. Okay. Suppose that we are taking a rectangle, a square. We will not take a rectangle, we will take firstly a square. And there is also a square inside this square. And suppose that area of this big square is A. Area of this big square is A, and area of this small square is B. Then question is saying that what will be the area of this shaded region? What will be the area of this shaded region? What will you do? Very simple, you will simply say that A minus B. But the question may be this question may be the long, because this question can be asked in a different way, that if the length of if the sides of a square is 2 centimeter, and inside this square there is also a square whose sides is 1 centimeter, then calculate the area of the shaded part. So what will you do? You know the area of a square, is sides square. The side is 2, so that is 4. This is for big, for big square, and for small square, for big square. And for small square it will be 1 square, so that is the 1. So you will simply subtract, and hence you will write, hence area of shaded part will be, what will you do? 4 minus 1, and that is 3. Since nothing unit is given, so you will write unit square, that's all, and that will be the answer. So area of this shaded part will be 3 unit square. So in this way you can find the cross sectional area. This is also called the cross sectional area. So in this way you will find the cross sectional area of the many shapes. If you will take also, you can also take the such a types, the rectangle. Suppose that this is the rectangle, and there is another rectangle inside it, and in the question it is given length is L is 3 and its breadth is 2, and for this big rectangle it is given length is 8 and breadth is 4. So you have to set, the question is saying that, suppose that this is the question, and question is saying that you have to find out the area of the shaded region or the cross sectional region, whatever you can say. This is the cross sectional region. Okay, for the better visibility I am making it the green color. So this is the shaded area which you have to find. So what will you do? You will simply find the area of this big rectangle by using the formula length into width. So that will be L into B, so this will be 8 into 4, that will be 32. Similarly the area of this rectangle, this is 3 and this is 2, so this will be 6. So 32 minus 6, so final answer will be 32 minus 6, and you will get 26. So 26 unit square, that will be the answer. So these are the very easy questions and generally asked in the, and if the question will be strong, he will say that in order to make the question more complicated, he will say that if the breadth and length will be given and the other rectangle portion will be extended by in the percentage. So that is the matter of the another class, and I will tell you in the next tutorial. So So if this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe me, and so that you could get a new video immediately on your channel. So and like to, so that's all about here. Thanks.